Hi, this is Herman. In this video, I will show you how to use the Chrome extension called Org62 EzLink, and also what is the new feature in the latest version. First of all, if you are an existing EzLink user, you can go to Manage Extension and either disable or remove the existing version. So you can go to here and then go back, and you can, like I said, either disable or remove version 3 or previous version. So in this case, I'm going to remove my old version, and then now we're ready to install the new one. So to install the new one, you can go to this link here and click the blue button. And the extension is going to ask for permission to access your browsing history and also update your bookmark. So the extension actually don't need access to your historical browsing history, but it does need access to the URL of the page that you're on. So this is why it needs permission to access your browsing history. And then in the latest version, the new feature is related to create bookmark and bookmark folder. So this is why they also ask for this second permission. So I'm going to give my permission here and click add. So once that is done, I now have the new EzLink icon again on the top right side of the Chrome browser. So before we start using it, we can go to the option page of the extension to customize it first. So on the option page, there are two parts here. The left-hand side allows you to control which related list you want to see and use. And then the right-hand side, again, is related to the new feature of the bookmark that I'm going to talk about shortly. So first of all, I'm going to customize the list here a little bit and removing the one that I don't use so often and keeping the rest. So I'm going to just do that quickly now. And also remove a bunch of the link here. Right, and another thing I usually like to do is to rearrange the list or reorder the list a little bit to make it easier for me to use. And of course, entirely up to you how you want to order the list. So you can see that you can use the move up and move down button on the left hand side here to rearrange the order of the list. So that's it. So once you're happy with what you like, then you click the save button. So same thing, I can repeat the same thing on the right hand side, but again, this is for the bookmark feature that I'm going to talk about shortly. So so very quickly, I'm going to just move a bunch of lists that I want to use for bookmark later. So I'm going to click save. So that's it. So now in order to use the related list is very simple. You can go to, first of all, go to an account record page, right click on any empty space, and you'll see the Org62 EzLink right click menu, and you'll see the related list that you have chosen. So I can open opportunity related list. All right, and then I can also, for example, go back and right click, let's say a set line item here. All right. So not only you can open it directly from the account record page, you can also do the same thing from a list view, which contain a list of account link, or you can do it from a report, which also could have a list of account link there. And you can also do it from other record that have a account related field. So here I'm on the contact record, which have a link to the account. I can also right click here. And in case I want to see what other contact I have, I can open the contact related list of this account. Okay. So this is how you open the related list. So another thing you can use EzLink for is to do a quick search in Org62. So in fact, you can search anywhere within Chrome by simply select a text, either in your email, on a page, and also including like a Google Hangout chat. So for example, here let's say if someone send me a message with the name of an account, I can search for that account by selecting the Org62 search. and this will do a global search in Org62 for the text that I selected. And you probably already noticed that not only I can do global search, I can do the exact same thing, but now limit my search to only to account. And this will return result for the accounts record only. And then you can also type in any text in the input search box. So let's say if I'm looking for one of my customer and I type in the email address in this input box in Gmail, and I can go back and search within contacts. So in fact, you can do this from, like I said, anywhere in Chrome. You can even use the input box in Org62 to type in what you want to search for, select it, right click in order to do that quick search. So you can see that the search allows you to perform global search within contacts, accounts, cases, knowledge, and chatter. Right? So one thing you probably notice is that when I open a related list or do a search, is opening a new tab in the front as an active tab. So sometimes you might not want that. You might want the tab to open in the background so you can continue to do other things. So what you can do is you can go to the icon and click on it. It will change color to orange. So this basically telling the EzLink tool to open the new tab in the background. So if I go back and repeat again, let's say open cases for this account, it's basically the tab is open in the background, and I can repeat and let's say select another thing, opportunities, and so that the tab is opening in the background. But of course, as you know, in Lightning, sometimes you have to go and bring the tab into focus in order for the loading to completely finish. Right? And then if you want to change back the new tab mode, you can simply click on the icon. It will change back to green or blue, and it will open the new tab as an active tab again. And so far, during my demo, I only show the standard navigation, and I know that many of you are console app user. So if you're a console app user, I'm sure you already have this extension called Lightning Console Extension, which allows you to open new tab as a console subtab. So this should work with EzLink. There are some link that does not work as a subtab like EWS, the original EWS. So those will still open as a separate new tab, but most of the related lists can be open as a console subtab. All right. So and then finally, what is new in the latest version? So in the latest version, one of the new feature is to allow you to create a set of bookmark easily for your key account, for account that you access the most. So when you install the latest version, you have this new folder or bookmark folder called EzLink. So I suggest moving it from the right hand side or the bottom of the expand button here and into your bookmark bar where you can easily access it. So at the beginning, of course, it will be empty. Then you like I mentioned earlier, you can customize the list of bookmark you want to save. So you choose the bookmark list you want, click save. Now to use it, you simply go to an account record page. It have to be account record page, and then you select the name that you want to use as a folder. So probably the name of the account, and then you simply select this link called create bookmark. So you will need to have this in the related list menu also, create bookmark. So if you have that and select it, then there will be a new bookmark folder created with all the bookmark that you have chosen. So that from here, I can jump to any of these directly, let's say cases. So next time I can simply just go to the bookmark folder and select what I want to jump to directly. Another nice thing about having a bookmark like this is because in Chrome, if you go to the address bar, you can in fact type in your name of your bookmark. So if you type in the name of the account and then the name of the related list, so you can even jump to that related list directly like so. So if you have bookmarked multiple accounts, instead of always have to open the bookmark folder, you can simply type it in the address bar and direct jump to that bookmark. All right, so that's all I have. Hopefully this extension will be useful to you. If you have any comment or question, please don't hesitate to reach out directly or in the EzLink chat group. Thank you.